20 bull noses on this as well. Awesome. So I it's got two S-Class on the, I got two bull nose on the back. Awesome. Bulldogs on the back. B74 and SVO3 and VL60 or 360 I think that was. It's got streamlines on this one, that's true. Yeah, S-Class. Got the flatbed cars behind there as well. It's no fair, it's got the flatbed. What a fight. Yeah. Yeah, but I was looking on video. The flatbed cars. And the marker light on the back.